Okay, I'm about to show you folks how you can get full repositories.txt, so you can get a full list of mod repositories on the Quest 2 without using a PC or a phone. So first you're going to have to go into the store and search for Mobile VR Station. I'll also have a link in the description, but you'll need that downloaded. And once you have that downloaded, or once you have it downloading, go ahead and open up your browser. Now from here, you're going to go to drakfire.keybase.pub/bonelab/repositories.zip. That's DRAKFYRE. And I'll also have this description, the links in the description. Just hit enter on that, and you'll see a little pop-up that will go in a second here. Actually show up on your screen, but it'll say repositories, and it might have additional date on there, or it might just say repositories.zip. And now you're going to go into App Library and open Mobile VR Station, or wait for it to finish downloading and then open it. And once you've got this nifty little utility opened, you're going to go into Local Files, Downloads. You're going to hit the View Edit toggle here. You're going to click on Repositories. You're going to click Copy. Then you're going to click the View Edit toggle again, go Previous Folder, All Folders, Android, Data, and then you're going to scroll way down. Well, it may not be way down for you, but it's way down for me, to find Stress Level 0. There you go, Stress Level 0 BONELAB, com.StressLevelZero.BONELAB. Go into Files. Now you're going to hit the View Edit toggle again. You're going to paste, finished, and then you're going to go back again to the regular, you're going to hit View Edit toggle to go back here. You're going to click on Repositories, and then you're going to choose Extract Files. And then you're going to hit OK. Now that you've done that, all you have to do is load up BONELAB. So we load up BONELAB. So the link I showed you is the work link, by the way. There is also an NSFW version that I'll have in the description as well. The NSFW provides both the Safe for Work and NSFW, and then the Safe for Work is just Safe for Work. So you're going to go into mods, you're going to accept the chaos, and if everything went right, if you go to external, you'll see a whole bunch of them. So that's awesome. So we could see what we can do here. An NES Zapper, that sounds kind of cool. Let's see if that works. So I'm going to go ahead and continue my game. So let's try Brawly, see if he works. Grab a couple NPC avatars real quick. There we go. Yep, it works. Nice and easy.